Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Meet Thermometer app. So let's get started. So to use that app, you have to follow this easy step. So as you can see here, the Meet Thermometer Master app. So we have to open it. Okay. So basically, it's a very useful app. Basically, you have to buy a thermometer for this. Okay, they have launched their thermometer. You can directly go and log in it, and when you will just check it, it has been synced with your phone. So when you will just do that, it will show the report in your phone, and after that knowing, you can know the meat is perfectly cooked or not. So I think it's a very useful app, and this is how to use it. Okay, so if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.